We don't have to agree on everything now. As a family, as the children of Yah, let's agree to disagree. Just because we do not agree, that don't mean you got to call me a BAMF and vice versa. Let's be respectful. Let's not cross the line. Check it. Ecclesiastes chapter 7, verse 9, KJV. Be not hasty in thy spirit to be angry, for anger resteth in the bosom of fools. In other words, not if, but when we disagree, let's not be quick to get angry. It's how we disagree. When we disagree with somebody, do you lose your religion? Now we know better than that, because as the children of Yah, we are not about a religion. We have a relationship with our Creator. It's how we disagree. The way that we disagree reveals our character or lack of. I don't expect you to think exactly like me, and vice versa. Family, that would be weird. I don't want to live in a world where everybody thinks exactly like me 100% of the time. You've heard the cliche, and I hate cliches, family, but I'm going to say one. Variety is the spice of life. We don't have to agree on everything, but let's make sure that when that happens, when a disagreement arises, let's not be led by Satan, by Hasatan. Let's make sure that we remain respectful, patient, and let's make sure we do not commit sin when we disagree. I don't even agree with my intermediate family on everything. And I don't expect you to agree with me on everything that I say. Fam, let's learn from one another. Let's listen to one another. And let's love one another. We may not see it the same way. However, let's agree to disagree. All glory, all praises, all honor to our great King.